It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Zippy Nyangweso. My video is all about bedroom makeover. I want to thank you guys for the overwhelming support that you've given me. We are road to 1,000 subscribers. So remember to give this video a thumbs up so that our videos can be pushed to other people. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much and let's do it, guys. Here, I strip off the bed, that is to remove everything from the bed, including the mattress, so that I can clean and put up our new mattress. The reason I'm changing the mattress is that the current one is too small for our bed, otherwise it's in good condition, and if asked, I can use it again and again. To clean my bed, I'm using a soft cloth and a DIY solution. That is a solution which is made up of white vinegar mixed with water and soap detergent. A little bit of soap detergent, guys. It has worked for me over the years, so that's why I'm using the DIY solution. The stain you can see there, guys, it's a permanent stain. It could not go off even after cleaning together with the bed polish, guys. So they promise they are going to change the headboard because the stain is too visible and there is no way I could live with that stain. My mattress is from Tumaini Mat. Someone recommended the mattress, so let me try it out, guys, and we'll let you know how it is. Here we cut up the seal, guys, from the mattress, remove the protective covering, and then position the mattress.
Traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go, 'cause I am happy on this island.
I'm feeling cozy in my new mattress and taste how firm it is. Next, we remove our carpet. This is the current carpet we've been using. So we remove this one and put up a new carpet. But before then, let's clean the floor first. To clean the floor, I'm using hot water as usual, and then I go in with the soapy detergent. We go with the So Soft, the fabric softener, and finally we add jig to our solution. So guys, let's clean up the place. here now we lay our 5x8 new carpet on the floor. Remember, I have given the floor enough time to dry, and again I used hot water to clean the floor. Using hot water makes the tiles dry up very fast. And also another thing I would like to remind you is that when you use the fabric softener to clean your floor, it maintains the floor's shyness. That is why you mostly see me using the fabric softener while cleaning the floor.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000.
Now let's make our bed, and to make our bed we are starting off with layering the bed. Remember, layering adds depth and texture to the bed. To layer our bed, we are starting off with a clean, well fitted sheet, and then we go in with a flat sheet, again with flat sheet and the duvet on the top for warmth. My fitted sheet is for the previous mattress, that's why you can see me struggling. So let's use it for today, as I plan to get a bigger one for the new mattress.
Traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know.
My duvet is from Stage Market Supermarket. It is a 6x6. It comes with one flat sheet and 2 pillowcases.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I can.
Our new set of pillows is from Tumaini Mat again. So let's add pillows to our bed. We arrange the pillows and see how it will turn out, guys. To arrange the pillows, I'm going to use a combination of pillows for both comfort and style. I'm going to start with sleeping pillows, which are in different sizes. And then we go in with the decorative pillows to create an eye-catching design to our bed.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find out how to seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave.
For my focal point, I chose the navy blue hand-knitted throw blanket as my statement piece. The throw blanket is from Think Twice and it was quite affordable. I really like it. Remember, the throw blanket across the foot adds the warmth and texture to your bed.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find out how to seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's.
To create more visual interest to our bed, I added the lumbar pillow to match with the throw blanket as I maintained the cohesive color palette. Now we add a soothing scent, that is lavender linen spray, as it infuses the entire room with a lovely aroma and also it enhances sleep quality. To finish off the look, we add a decorative tray with some flowers and candles. Remember, lighting up a candle, it helps to create a calming and a relaxing atmosphere for sleep. And now, this is the final look of our bedroom.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time